Hello again, and let's do a few exercises. But before we start, we have to give respect for this beautiful place that hosting us with its beautiful energy. So I want to show you a few simple exercises of coming from Qi Gong in order to enlarge the aura. Okay? So always when we do Qi Gong, we slightly flexing our knees, relaxing our lower back, relaxing the shoulders. Okay, and just to connect, let's just lift the arms and breathe in. And then visualize that we're connecting to the life force of heaven. Exhale, breathe down, and cleanse your body from heaven to earth. And feel that you're rooting down into the center of the earth. Again, inhale, lift and pull the energy and let it rise from your crown and fingertips to infinity. And exhale and go down. Okay. Before we continue, as I explained earlier, it's important always to visualize. So before you do the exercise, visualize, and while you do the exercise, visualize. Yeah? So as the image is clear, the energy will move stronger. Okay, so let's continue. The first image, light coming out from your fingertips and connecting to the center of the earth. Okay, now we're going to pull the energy from the earth and visualize that it's rising through the pelvic floor and cleansing and flowing through the whole center of the body, emerging from the crown and radiating to infinity. Okay, then we're visualizing that the heaven energy is flowing down. We inhale and we're pulling the heaven energy to cleanse from heaven to earth through the center channel. Okay, again, pull the energy from the earth up to the heaven and visualize it's radiating from your crown and fingertips like you are a fountain of light to infinity. Inhale and pull the heaven energy down, all the way down to the earth. Wonderful. Now, this is the vertical axis. Now the aura obviously is like the sun, or more horizontal expansion to all directions. So what we're going to do now, we're going to start exactly the same, inhaling from earth to heaven. But when we exhaling from heaven, what we're going to go is going down and then expand the aura outwards. Okay? Okay, let's try. Starting the same. Light coming out from the fingertips to the center of the earth. And then go. Inhale. Pull the energy up. All the way through your crown, fingertips to infinity. Now exhale. And then widen your energy out. Relax down. Let's do it again. Inhale from the earth. Radiate light out. Exhale from the heaven. And then visualize that you're enlarging, you're widening to immense energy all around you. And relax. Tuli, go down. Okay, we continue. Now we're going to divide the same breathing into two. Okay? So we're going to inhale all the way to the chest. Tuli, go. Okay. So we're going to inhale all the way up to the chest. Exhale to the heaven. And then we change. We inhale back down. And then we're going to exhale and expand. Okay, let's do it together. We start. Inhale, pull the energy to your chest. Open like a beautiful tree. Open your energy out. And now exhale and communicate that beautiful energy with the heaven. And now inhale the energy from heaven to the earth, to the chest. And now open your aura. Expand your aura out. Visualize that your aura become very, very expansive. Inhale back the energy to your chest. And expand the energy, one arm forward, one arm backwards. Collect the energy back to your chest. Turn to the other direction. And again, one arm forward, one arm backwards. Expand your energy. Come back, pull the energy back to your chest. And relax the arms down. Pay attention how you're feeling. Okay. Now let's do a simple breathing and a simple movement only to work with the aura. Yeah? So basically, we're going to bring the hands to the chest. Inhale. Exhale, expand. And visualize that you become super, super large. Again, inhale. Exhale. Enlarge your aura and don't limit yourself. Become infinite so your energy fills up the whole creation. Inhale. Exhale. Expand and expand like you're lifting a phoenix wings. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Expand and visualize your infinite being. And hands in Namaste. Relax. And let's give gratitude for this place and for this practice. Thank you.